Hey guys, Steve here. Today I want to do a quick review of a funnel that I made in the Power Lead system. Now, this funnel is designed to promote a free website that generates you commission without selling, right? So the website or the platform is called the OLSP system. Now, the OLSP system is put together by the traffic dominators. So what I did is I incorporated into the Power Lead system in order to get increased signups, because as you know, sometimes capture pages get kind of old, right? So using the Power Lead system, I merged the two, which gives me flexibility in creating my own capture pages and also gives me a very lucrative compensation plan for those who choose to promote the OLSP system with the Power Lead system. So what I want to do is just do a quick overview to show you what comes in the system and how you can use it. It's free, especially if you're already a gold member. There'll be a share code at the end of the whole walkthrough. So this would be one of the capture pages that you get with the system that I put together. And like I said, it's free. You input your email, you go through the funnel, and at the end, I'll show you where the share code is. So you come right in, and the first place it takes you is it brings you to a video that I put together that will walk you through signing up and creating your OLSP account and joining the Facebook group, right? Now, as you scroll down, you'll see an option where you'll see buttons here that says, let me in, that take you to the Facebook group. This is the generic page that all OLSP members get, but this is where everybody comes through and opts in to join the Facebook group. And this is where typically OLSP members run their traffic to. So I put the Power Lead system in front of that in order to capture and create your own list and also give step-by-step instructions on what to do, right? So that's where this button leads. Gives a little more description. Then when you come down to the bottom here, it shows you that where you can get traffic for your OLSP system. It gives you an option. Right up front, it lets you know you're gonna need traffic to promote whatever opportunity. It's no secret. Everyone needs traffic, right? Especially when you combine it with the training that you get in the OLSP system. And I'll show you that a little bit later. Also, there's a button down here that will allow them to use a separate $7 capture page system that you, as one who's using this marketing system, that you can generate $6 in commission off of a $7 one-time purchase, which is awesome. And that's all part of the Power Lead system. And believe me, once they sign up for the Power Leads, once they sign up for this one-time $7 purchase using that capture page, what will happen is they will automatically be in the Power Lead system, right? Which they'll be on your downline. So that's one way that you get them to sign up under you. And at the bottom, this will be your picture with your contact information, because using the share code, everything is coded to you. And also, this is your primary business that you as a Power Lead system user knows that you input in the back office. And this will show you, this will allow them to click here to see your other business opportunities, right? So that's this page. Now, if we click down here, take me to the unlimited $6 commissions, that takes me to the best $7 you'll ever spend, where there's a video here.
Right
where,
now,
it's just the standard video that breaks down the Lead Lightning, which is your $7 platform, in 1 minute and 16 seconds, kind of to give you a presentation, a general overview of how powerful Lead Lightning is. As you scroll down, I walk through in another video of how to set up your OLSP system using the Lead Lightning platform capture page, right? To promote your OLSP. So now you're using this $7 one-time purchase, right? That you can generate $6 off of. It shows you how you can use that simple system to promote your free OLSP account. So it gives the potential lead another way that they can generate commissions, because they can use your Lead Lightning system, generate their OLSP free system, right? To promote your OLSP free system. And it just gives you a little bit about the affiliate program and how one member earned $258, making 43 sales in 1 week right? Generating those $6 commissions. So as you get to the bottom here, there's a button that gives you an option for more traffic, but also it gives you an option to press here to get the system. So when you click that button, it takes you through to the how to duplicate the system, where I walk you through step by step of how to set up your duplicated system using the Power Lead system. So here, the first button here takes them to the Power Lead system, shows them what the Power Lead system is, how powerful it is, everything you get. You can watch the video, I won't go over it, but it tells you everything that you get with the Power Lead system, right? And why we are using it to market the OLSP system. So we jump back. Like I said, this video breaks it down how to connect everything, right? So it's a step-by-step process. It shows you, if you didn't create your OLSP account, do it now. And also, I didn't go there. There's a traffic page that I show you some paid traffic sources. One is Wayne Crow's OLSP recommended traffic source, which also you're coded to as an OLSP member, so it can generate those traffic sales, but also it can link your prospect to the your Udemy account, so they can generate commissions using that as well. So let's jump back to the system setup. Now, back on the system setup, you see that those are your two links. You have your OLSP link and you have your Udemy link, right? So here are just quick interfaces of how to jump exactly to where you need to be in the Power Lead system. And then after that, it shows you the share code. You create your accounts, and you become distributors of those affiliate accounts, right? And now we input the share code. This button takes you right where the share code needs to be. This gives you your share code number, and it continues to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to point your capture page and your domain name, or how to combine them together so that your capture page is aligned with your domain name that you purchase either in the system, or there's other instructions how to transfer it within the system. And this is the image you look for. So it's simple and easy. I'm using the Power Lead system to promote a free OLSP account, which, if you didn't know, your OLSP account can generate you commissions without selling anything, where Wayne does the selling, telling, and the training. And this combining it with the Power Lead system will allow you to generate commissions, residual commissions, allow you to create unlimited capture pages, and allow you to promote OLSP and build your downline. So anyway, that's all that I got. Check out the link below. Try it out. If you got any questions, concerns, encounter any difficulties, just reach out to me. I'll jump in, take a look, walk you through. I'm always here to help. But I hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.